re nare ke utlwa eng ke moribo wa dikgato tsa eng se se tsamaelanang le seteng kana sa bogare tsa mafatlha a me gatwe ke tlhome matho kae ke tlhodimele kae fa moribo o nka ba pelo jana he banna ke bona eng isi there she comes walking down the aisle with a smile that shakes and lights up my world. It is a smile that would leave so many stories untold. Wow, this one is about to unfold like a fog. Oh God, is she? Oh yes, she is the queen of today, dressed up in a white gown. She is the angel of this day, and if you don't believe me, trust me when I tell you, she is the only rib that God has ever made for me. And ke a rata tota malobopo o le gopola nnete le rapo la marapo a me marati wa pelo ya me re fetogile jaanong go nna nama e le nngwe by the Holy Spirit in this new covenant. Oh God, is she? Oh yes, Karajana Omolatsana Omonatana Olesonki Mudisa Ose Hakalo Folokala Maikuto Amejaka Tina Yamamekbe Adinoti Limoka O Epinkis Takasa Monaruri Malobopo Wa Kanya or Kanyajaka Tarisa or Kanyajaka Tunyasa Yarato Sekopio Marangala Tila Musobo Tumelo Diatlazaho Diatlazaho Karajana did bullets and muddy chickens and the carrots in the whole Garatzika Zatalaya Mujimu Abraham Sefaka Sahu Siko Kobedi Siko Betili Ujaka
Deep down the stunning earth creation, on the earth coat there lies a home to dwell, accommodating and tolerating all the season, a free flow from up the river Nile down the southern part of this shining continent, laying down these waters that I'm flying in.